Everything in your life is filtered through the story you tell yourself about who you are, what you deserve, and what's possible for you. Today, we're diving into belief engineering, rewriting the inner story that's been shaping your results far more than you've ever realized. Because the truth is simple, your beliefs create your behaviors create your patterns, and your patterns create your outcomes. If you're not getting the outcomes you want, it's not because something is wrong with you. It's because the story you've been running hasn't been updated to match the identity that you're stepping into. Your inner story is like software. If the software is outdated, it doesn't matter how strong the hardware is. You'll still experience glitches, limitations, and ceilings. Most people go through life trying to force new outcomes using old beliefs. That's like trying to run a brand new program on a 20 Everything in your life is filtered through the story you tell yourself about who you are, what you deserve, and what's possible for you. Today, we're diving into belief engineering, rewriting the inner story that's been shaping your results far more than you've ever realized. Because the truth is simple, your beliefs create your behaviors create your patterns, and your patterns create your outcomes. If you're not getting the outcomes you want, it's not because something is wrong with you, it's because the story you've been running hasn't been updated to match the identity you're stepping into. Your inner story is like software. If the software is outdated, it doesn't matter how strong the hardware is. You'll still experience glitches, limitations, and ceilings. Most people go through life trying to force new outcomes using old beliefs. That's like trying to run a brand new program on a 20-year-old computer. It isn't built to handle it. And I want you to really let this land. Absolutely nothing in your external world changes until something shifts in your internal world. Belief comes before behavior. Behavior comes before momentum. Momentum comes before transformation. This is why belief work matters. It's the foundation of everything else. Now, I know what it feels like to live inside a story that keeps you stuck. I've been the person who believed they weren't enough, who believed success was reserved for other people, who believed working harder was the only path forward, who believed their past defined their future. And all of those beliefs kept me in the same cycles until I learned how to question them, rewrite them, and replace them with beliefs that aligned with where I wanted to go, not where I had been. So let's start here. Every belief you have was either chosen or absorbed. Most were absorbed from childhood, from past failures, from environment, from people who were doing the best they could, but couldn't see your potential the way you can today. And belief absorption is dangerous because it convinces you that the belief is reality, but belief is not reality. A belief is a repeated thought accepted as truth. If you change the thought, you can change the belief. If you change the belief, you change the world you live in. Today is about taking back authorship of your story. You are no longer the actor, you are the writer. You are the director. You decide who you become. You decide what's possible for you. You decide what beliefs you are willing to carry into the next chapter of your life. And the first step is simply noticing the old beliefs. What beliefs have been running you? What beliefs have been shaping your decisions? What beliefs have been keeping you small, silent, hesitant, or overwhelmed? Maybe it's the belief that you're not ready. Maybe it's the belief that you always struggle. Maybe it's the belief that success takes too long. Maybe it's the belief that you're behind. Maybe it's the belief that you're not capable. Whatever it is, it's time to bring it into light. You cannot rewrite the story if you refuse to acknowledge. And here's the good news. Beliefs are not permanent. They are programmable, changeable, updatable, replaceable. You can decide at any moment that an old belief no longer belongs to you. You can decide right now that the story you've been living isn't the story you're going to continue. So how do you engineer a new belief? You start with identity. Who is the version of you who already has the results that you want? What beliefs does that version hold? How do they think? What do they tell themselves? What do they no longer tolerate? What do they believe their worth, their potential, and their future? Once you know that, belief engineering becomes simple. Adopt the beliefs of the future you now. You don't wait until you achieve it. You believe your way into the achievement. And yes, your old beliefs will resist. They'll tell you this is unrealistic. They'll tell you nothing will change. They'll tell you this is just positive thinking. But belief engineering isn't positive thinking, it's identity alignment. Old beliefs are just mental habits. They feel true because they're familiar, not because they're accurate. If you can create the belief, you can create the behavior. If you can create the behavior, you can create the results. Your job now is to choose the beliefs that support your future and retire the ones that protect your past. This isn't about pretending. This is about choosing the story that empowers you instead of the one that limits you. You're not lying to yourself, you're leading yourself. And once you begin living from these new beliefs, everything in your world will shift. You'll take different actions, you'll feel different emotions, you'll attract different opportunities, you'll expect better outcomes, you'll notice possibilities you used to overlook. Your entire relationship with yourself will upgrade. And that's the point. Your story determines your state determines your decisions, and your decisions create your destiny. So today, I want you to choose your story. Choose it consciously. Choose it boldly. Choose it without apologizing for it. You are stepping into a new identity with a new belief system that supports your rise. You are not defined by the story you inherited. You are defined by the story you choose next. Let today be the day you rewrite everything.